Hello everyone, this is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle, and I'm coming to you with a video on how to put together a full orchid plant arrangement. So here are the things you will need. You will need foam blocks, orchid plant, raffia, some orchid leaves, and some moss. Don't forget your vase. I chose this milk glass vase for the shape. I thought it would be perfect for this floral arrangement. So let's begin. First step, you will need your foam floral blocks, and I will be using 3. Second step is placing the first foam block horizontally in. Then I will place the second and third foam block vertical. Once you place the blocks in, now you will need to place your orchid stem. I will be placing the orchid stem straight inside the first foam block that I placed in the vase. You want to make sure you stick the stem straight through the foam. So my next step is to place a full bamboo stick or any type of stick that you may have, and I'm simply placing the stick right next to the stem. This is simply decorative purposes. Once you look at the real orchid plants, you notice that they always have a stick that's wrapped around a stick right next to the orchid plant to give it stability, and that is what I'm doing here. Next, you want to place the orchid leaves right next to the stem, and these orchid leaves, you can find them at Michael's or any craft store. I will be placing 2 of the leaves. So once I'm done with that, I am going to lift up the leaves upward in order for me to place the moss around the foam to cover the foam in the vase. Now this moss, I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. You can also find it in other craft stores. All I'm going to do is place the moss inside of the vase to cover the foam. Very simple. This DIY is very easy and quick, but the results are very beautiful. want to make sure you really pack in the moss inside of the vase. It gets a little messy, but you can always clean up after. You want to make sure you cover up all the foam inside of the vase. Push in that moss. Now, the last step is to add the raffia to the stems. And the reason why you're adding the raffia is to mimic the real orchid plant. So I'm going to simply wrap around the raffia twice around the stems. Then I'm going to tie 2 knots for added security. I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the excess raffia. And I am done. That's it. All done. And here is the final result. It looks so real and beautiful. I just placed this arrangement on the top of my desk, as you can see here. Close-up view. Really pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you are going to try out this DIY, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about the video. And if you enjoyed the video, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. This is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle. Have a great day. Bye.